I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating peach palm wood nodes on a map so you waste no time. Choose a fast character for running and stamina management. This makes short hops between trees quick. Once done, set a nearby teleport waypoint and clear immediate enemies so harvesting is uninterrupted. Make sure to carry any quick cutting tool if needed and track which nodes you cleared. This initial setup turns repeated runs from tedious to efficient and sets you up for consistent drops. Now execute the loop. Teleport to the waypoint, hit nodes in order, and mark or remember cleared spots. Use speed buffs or short glides to cross ravines and reach higher palms, because saving seconds per node compounds across runs. Once you finish the loop, teleport back to town or switch domains to force a server refresh if you're offline. This helps respawn timers. Repeat the loop with consistent timing to maximize yield per hour and avoid backtracking. Finish by banking materials in your inventory and checking counts against your target. If nodes aren't appearing, clear nearby enemy camps or completely log out and back in to refresh spawns. Sometimes a full client restart fixes node disappearance. Once done, consider co-op runs so each player clears different clusters faster, or swap coordinates with friends to expand your loop. Keep a mental timer for respawn windows, and you'll maintain a steady supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.